Good afternoon, guys. So today I am out with my Axial SCX10ii Deadbolt, which is basically all stock electronics, but it is running some Traxxas Canyon Trails 1.9s, and I've actually just before this run put some white springs into the software. I noticed on the last run the springs were definitely too firm. It performed way better with the springs like this. It's just going up and over things I didn't think it would. That's not too bad of a climb there. That's a pretty easy overall climb, but it still seems to be enjoying it. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, you'll know that I don't really speak very much in videos. I've got a few how-to videos, but apart from that, I don't really speak much. No reason other than nothing really interesting to say. But for this, I thought I'd just try something different. Do more sort of a little bit of commentary along the way. Less music, more interaction. And of course, if you're brand new to the channel, then hello and welcome. Consider subscribing. Right, let's get to it. Train in the background there ruining my commentary. So, as I said before in the introduction, this is running stock electronics, which is the Axial 35 turn sealed cam motor and the AE5 ESC, and this is with the drag brake on 50%, running a 3S LiPo. Well, I was just joined then by a couple in a camper van and thought I didn't want to sound like a complete weirdo just talking to myself if they didn't see the camera, so I thought I'll just shut up, and I actually did the climb, so I'll roll that footage at some point in the video, but you won't hear me talking. Slightly different angle of an earlier line here. a severe one. So much better with the less drag brake. It'd be nice if there was like a 75% option. You've got to pick your battles. Nice. When you're filming, if you find your hands very wobbly and you've got the opportunity, rest it on a rock like that. I'm just taking a picture. I'll include it. You can just rest, concentrate on driving. Don't worry too much about filming. Enjoy your rig, if it comes in over. Reasonably still. And then it falls over. Excellent. This is a very tricky little line here that I like to do. Done it a couple of times now, so I know it does make it, but it's a lot harder than it looks in the video, put it that way. Let's make sure you don't go down the hole there. Hope this footage is coming out quite good. Or excellent will be even better. It's so close to the edge. But she makes it. Little correction. Set up. Careful of the power. Wheels in the correct places. And up she goes. Lovely. This is actually quite a good spot here. It's only small. I'm going to give you a tour of my bike over there. There's just like the main rock part down there, which is good for 10 or 15 lines down there, which is quite entertaining. Them ones you can't really do anything on, unfortunately, they're just too steep. And there's the one there, which is still very steep, but the car can get up it. That, unfortunately, I have attempted several times, never been able to get up it. It just goes too vertical at the top. And then if I move away a little bit, you'll see where I've just gone up and down. It's a shame it's not a little bit bigger, but there is more rocks further up. I don't know if you'll be able to see them there on the GoPro where the mast is. And there's a few more there, but they're just sort of single rocks in places, kind of like that one right there. They're not that entertaining, not really worth walking all the way up for. So yeah, we'll have to just continue on here until I find somewhere else as well. Hope you're enjoying it. Whoop, no. Whoop. Are you okay in there, Scully? No, I feel a bit sick. I'm not surprised. Let's carry on. Okay. Right guys, well I think I'm going to leave the video here. It's getting a bit colder now. I'm about ready for home, but if I find another spot on the way home, I might actually go for a little look because it's not raining and doesn't look like it's going to. So if you enjoyed today's video and you enjoyed the commentary side of it, feel free to drop a comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.